I'm doing a get ready with me for Canadian Thanksgiving that is happening this weekend. I'm starting off by applying Nude and Hazelnut from my Smashbox palette into my crease area. Taking Cranberry from MAC, I'm applying this to my crease area. This look is similar to my clown look that I did, and so I decided I want to recreate the look again. Taking some concealer, I'm going to be applying this to my lips. Taking a shimmer shade from my Desert Sun palette, I'm going to be applying this into the lid. Night Shoot, which is a black eyeshadow from my Smashbox palette, I'm going to be applying this into the outer corner of my eye and blending it inward. Taking some Wet n Wild mascara, I'm going to be applying this to my lashes. I'm going to be applying some Covergirl foundation to my face. In with my Smashbox palette, I'm going to be applying some contour to my face and then applying some blush from the same palette to my cheeks. Finish off the look, I'm going to be applying some lip color to my lips. If you enjoyed this get ready with me, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to see some more videos.